Hey, this is Don Walters coming to you from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Just wanted to talk to you again about recruitment, my favorite subject. And again, that website is www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Um, just talking to one of my coworkers, and one of the things that used to come up a lot of times is when I was working for this one company is how the pharmaceutical companies were never, the dates that they were set for the start of the study was never definite. And it would a lot of times create problems with recruitment because, okay, they'll tell me, okay, we got this study starting in 3 weeks. We just got back from an investigational meeting. They said we can start enrolling our first patient in 3 weeks. We need you to go out and find patients for this study. So I would go out, pound the pavement, knock on doors, and I'd find that body of patients. Then all of a sudden the pharmaceutical company would come back and say, okay, well, we have a problem. We need to push that date out further. So instead of 3 weeks from now, it's going to be a month and a half from now. So now I've got this whole body of people that are ready to come into a clinical study, and there's no study for them. So then I've got to keep working with these people to keep them on that line, keep them excited about coming in and screening for the study. Then the pharmaceutical company comes back and says, well, not a month and a half from now. We need 2 months. And it gets done like that. So now, how do you keep the interest of these individuals? And that's hard. And how do you not lose them to other clinical studies? So when you do get started, you're not short, and you have to go back and redo this thing all over again. Well, the key point to maintaining their interest is maintaining contact. What I would do is set that list aside, and at least once, twice a week, I would call them up and just talk to them, and just real brief. You don't need any long conversations. Just, hey, how you doing? Let you know what's going on. This is what's happening. We're definitely interested in you. We want you to continue the study. We want you to do this study, or at least come in and screen for the study. That's the words I'm looking for. And that's how you would keep them going. I would call them maybe once, twice a week just to keep them interested and make sure I haven't lost them. And for the most part, you might lose a few people, but for the most of those individuals, you'll keep them on board. Anyway, I hope this helps you out there if you run into that problem. This is Don Walters signing off from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. You take care.